Good afternoon. Welcome to the Royal Park Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Mr. Smith.
Can you please spell that for me, sir?
Sure. Smith.
Yes, Mr. Smith. We've reserved a double room for you with a separate pool for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information on file. If you'll just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Whoa, $475 a night.
Yes, sir. We are a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I'm here on business anyway, so at least I'm staying on the company's dime. What's included in this cost anyway?
A full continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and use of the hotel's safe are all included.
So what's not included in the price?
Well, you will find a mini bar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account. Also, the hotel provides room service, at an additional charge of course.
Okay, so what room am I in?
Room 582. Here is your key. To get to your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 3rd floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the right-hand side. A bellboy will bring your bags up shortly.
Great. Thanks.
Should you have any questions or requests, please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is internet available in the lobby 24 hours a day.
Okay, and what time is checkout?
At midday, sir?
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful stay at the Royal Park Hotel.